Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Rise of Nations with friends. First, make sure every player has the Rise of Nations Extended Edition installed via Steam. A stable internet connection is crucial for a smooth experience, so check your network. Launch the game through your Steam library to begin. This ensures all necessary components are running correctly for multiplayer. To host a game, navigate to the multiplayer option on the main menu and select Internet Game. Next, click Create Game and customize your match settings, such as map type, number of players, and difficulty. Once your game lobby is set up, use the Steam overlay to invite your friends directly. They will receive an invitation to join your session. If you're joining a friend, simply accept the Steam game invitation they send you. This is the quickest way to enter their lobby. Alternatively, you can go to the multiplayer menu, select Internet Game, and then join game to browse available sessions. Look for your friend's name. Always confirm you are running the same game version as the host for compatibility. Encountering issues? First, ensure your firewall isn't blocking the game's connection. Sometimes, restarting Steam and Rise of Nations can resolve desynchronization errors. For optimal performance, close unnecessary background applications. Clear communication with your friends about game settings, and when everyone is ready to start, will also help ensure a smooth and enjoyable multiplayer experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.